Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam missing file privileges. The missing files privileges error in Steam usually occurs when Steam does not have permission to write to the game installation folder. And to resolve the issue, you need to first close the Steam. When you open the Steam app, simply close it off in the top right corner. And over here what you need to do next is go to the search in the bottom and type down Steam here, and you need to select this run as administrator beside it and select yes. And this gives Steam the permission needed to update or install the game files. And if the error still continues, you need to open the Steam here. In the top left, there's this Steam icon, select there, and you need to go to the setting. And from here under the setting here, you need to select this downloads beside it. And here you need to scroll a bit down until you find this clear download cache here. You need to select this clear cache and select confirm. And Steam will restart and you will need to sign in again. And you should also check your antivirus software. And some antivirus programs prevent Steam from modifying game files. And that is it. This is how you can fix the Steam missing file privileges. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.